Open X app on your phone, tap on your profile icon, tap on profile, tap on the pencil icon. This would allow you to edit your profile and change your profile name. Remove your old profile name, enter the new name, tap on save. Obviously, this just changes your name. Now, in order to change your username, once again, tap on your profile icon and this time select settings and privacy and then tap on your account, tap on account information and finally tap on your username. It shows your current username. Tap underneath the new. Are you sure you want to change your username? Tap on continue. Enter your new username. X doesn't allow usernames longer than 15 characters. And once you entered your username and it is available, then tap on done. Tap on back again, and if you tap on your profile, you could see now it shows is your new username.